This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. This video sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures. Beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below. Morning, guys. April 10, 2019 is what I got a call for. No heat. Got a call from a younger lady. The address she gave me used to be an older Portuguese lady, so I don't know if her mother passed or what, but says she got no heat.
Old West Port Road.
Says she got no heat, and I asked her if she had oil in her tank. I know she's got a raw tank there with, the oil pools off the top of the tank. And she said there's water on the floor around the boiler. And I'm thinking that she's out of oil, but she says she's got oil. Says she's going to meet me there in 40 minutes. I told her to call someone else, and all of a sudden she calls me back. She says, I'll meet you there in 10. So, it might be one of those flipping, want me to run out there and wait for her for half an hour. That's not going to happen. I'll go there. If she's not there, I'm leaving.
Turn right on Chase Road.
The way people are. Meet you there in 40, and then I tell her I call someone else. Oh, I'll meet you there in 10. Oh, really? So what happened to the 40? We'll see what happens. I know it's a Burnham oil-fired boiler that's there. And I'm thinking she's out of oil. Anyway, try to get you some shots. Oh, it says it's been about a year since I've been here. It's calling for hot water, which is on priority. Does have oil in the tank, I did check. It's not calling for heat. Yeah, for some reason it's not calling for heat, because watch, when I pull this relay in, so that for some reason that control's not telling this to call. See it? Watch. That should be pulled out. So I have to find out why it's not telling this to call.
Okay.
So this burner's working fine, but you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Pretty self-explanatory.
Okay.
I'll figure out what's going on. Okay.
He'll be here in a few minutes.
All right. All right. So zone 4 is priority. I'll take it off of priority and see if it fires. Heard the circulators kick in. It's not firing. I think we've got a bad unit here. That sucker's hot. Sucker's red hot. This not firing the burner. Son of a gun. It's not firing TT. Got a bad relay here. Here's TT right here. We'll jump this out and see if it fires. We got a bad relay there. It's a bad 4-zone relay. This is the problem. The sucker's red hot. I don't have one of these in the truck. XX, which is N switch. which goes down and fires that. XX. So the problem is for zone control. I mean, this thing is, it's all wired right in there. Not good. Not good. You know, the zone's calling, but it's not firing the boiler. Alright guys, I just popped this little ring off here and she fired right up. So it must be in this relay that was sticking. See this relay? This little thing. I put my screwdriver in there, took the top part out, and she fired right up. So a bad connection in this relay. We had a bad connection there. Take the priority off and then all the circulators kick in. Right now you put the priority on and just the water heater will heat up. Is that a bad connection there? That's why that thing was hot. I checked it at 110 coming in on the line. It was a relay. It's just kind of needed a little next level, mama. Alright, so reset control relay. And we're gonna let that go for now, right? You good with that?
Yep, I'm good. You might, so maybe I'll have you come back in the fall.
Yeah, that would be the thing, to do a cleaning on it.
Yeah, because I don't know, because for a minute I thought, man, I wonder if the oil filter is clogged.
I doubt that.